Scene script. Have you ever wondered how Google, the world's most popular search engine, works? Welcome to Science and Technology, where we peel back the layers of the tech world to reveal the fascinating mechanisms beneath. Today, we delve into the enigma of Google's search engine. Google, an omnipresent entity in our digital lives, is the go-to tool for finding answers. It processes an astounding over 3.5 billion searches every day. That's more than 40,000 queries every second. But how does Google manage this colossal task? How does it sift through the seemingly infinite expanse of the internet to deliver the most relevant results to your screen in a fraction of a second? The answer lies in Google's ultra-efficient three-step process: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling is the first step, where Google's automated software, known as spiders or crawlers, scours the internet to discover new and updated content. It's like a digital scout, constantly on the lookout for new information. Next comes indexing. Once the crawlers find new content, Google analyzes and categorizes it. It's a bit like a librarian sorting books into different sections, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Finally, we have ranking. This is the step where Google's secret sauce, its complex algorithm, comes into play. It sorts through the indexed content and ranks it based on relevance and quality. The algorithm considers over 200 factors, including keywords, web page quality, and user experience, to ensure you get the most accurate results. So this is how Google starts to work its magic, through the process of crawling, indexing, and ranking. But this is just the beginning. There's a lot more to Google's search engine than meets the eye, and in the next segment we'll delve deeper into this fascinating process. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button to keep up with all our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of science and technology. But what exactly does Google do when it crawls the web? Well, imagine the internet as an ever-expanding digital universe. Google, in its quest to organize this vast universe, sends out digital scouts known as spiders or bots. Now, these are not the creepy crawlies you might be thinking of, but sophisticated algorithms designed to explore the web. Just as an explorer would venture into unknown territories, these bots set out on a mission to discover new and updated content on the internet. They start at a known location, say a web page, and follow links from that page to other pages, much like following a trail of breadcrumbs. As they travel, these bots collect data, indexing information about the content they discover. This includes the page's title, its content, and even the relevance of links on the page. In essence, Google's crawling process is like an explorer mapping out the digital landscape. Once Google has crawled the web, what happens next? The magic lies in the process known as indexing. This is where Google's organizational prowess truly shines. Each piece of information collected by Google's bots is neatly filed and organized in a vast digital database known as the index. Imagine an expansive library stretching as far as the eye can see. Instead of books, this library is filled with copies of every web page that Google has ever crawled. This index serves as Google's master list, a comprehensive directory of the digital world. Whether it's a blog post from 10 years ago or a news article that was published just minutes ago, if it's been crawled by Google, it's in the index. This powerful and meticulously maintained system allows Google to rapidly retrieve relevant information when a search query is entered. With indexing, Google has effectively built the world's largest digital library. So Google has crawled the web and indexed the information, but how does it decide what to show you when you search? The magic lies in a process called ranking. The term might sound simple, but it's a complex dance of algorithms and factors that determine the relevance and quality of pages in Google's vast index. Let's begin with keywords. These are the core of your search query, the terms you type into the search box. Google's algorithms are designed to analyze these keywords and match them with the content available on billions of web pages. The goal? To find the best match for your query. But here's the thing. Google doesn't just stop at keywords. It also takes into account the usability of a web page. That means it looks at factors like the loading speed of the page, its mobile friendliness, and even the security of the site. All of these elements contribute to the overall user experience. And Google wants to make sure that it's delivering results that are not just relevant, but also user-friendly. And then there's the matter of relevance. Google's algorithms are constantly learning and evolving. They use a multitude of signals to understand what each web page is about and how it might be relevant to your search query. For instance, a page that's regularly updated with fresh content might be considered more relevant than a page that hasn't been touched in years. Moreover, Google also considers the quality of content. It evaluates the trustworthiness of the source, the accuracy of the information, and the overall value it provides to users. This is where factors like backlinks come into play. Backlinks are links from other websites to your page. If your page has a lot of high-quality backlinks, it's a signal to Google that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Finally, it's important to remember that Google's ranking process is dynamic. It's constantly changing and adapting to deliver the best possible results for each and every search query. And that, in essence, is how Google works to deliver the most relevant search results to you. So, to put it all together, we've delved deep into the enigma that is Google's search engine. We started our journey by understanding the first step: crawling. This is where Google explores the vast expanse of the internet, gathering information from billions of web pages. Then we moved on to indexing, the process where Google organizes the information it's crawled. It's a bit like a librarian categorizing books, making it easier for Google to retrieve relevant information when needed. Finally, we looked at ranking. This is the stage where Google decides which results to show you first, based on a multitude of factors, including relevance and quality of content. These three processes, crawling, indexing, and ranking, work in unison to make Google the powerful search engine we rely on every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the workings of Google. Remember to subscribe to Science and Technology. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.